If you trade under pressure or under different circumstances in life, it will guarantee you 100% that you are likely to blow that account, or let's say 99.9%. For example, this is why 100% of traders who enters forex to get rich quick are 100% guaranteed to lose all their money until they learn the truth. Something that can take you 1.5 years to achieve, if you do not correct it on time, can take you 5, 6, even 7 years to achieve, or you might even quit forex before that time. You might be watching these videos and just ask, who is this guy? Well, my name is Daniel. I'm a 25-year-old full-time forex trader, freelance banker, expert in trade finance, and an economist with over 4 years experience trading the financial markets. I share my journey and experience as a trader, educator, and share realistic insight on the realities of trading. Now, back to why you blew that account. I have 5 vital reasons why you are going to blow that account, and listen carefully to avoid this. If you watch this video to the end, your life is going to change and you are going to make the right corrections you need to avoid making such mistake costing you years of running a rat race in the forex market. IHISL. The first one is ignoring market conditions. This is not talked about as it ought to be, because if you watch most videos on YouTube, nobody really tackles market condition, and market condition is the most important criteria for your strategy to work, or the strategy you are using to work. You can watch a YouTube video now and see a specific strategy and see the person testing that strategy, the strategy working back to back on different person. Be like, wow, this strategy is very good. Now let me try this in this market I'm trading, and you try it and it doesn't work, and you be like, oh man, this strategy doesn't work, but the market condition was not even right for you to trade that strategy at that time. This is why as traders we are obliged to trade different pairs, not one single pair, and I'm even going to go back to that. H. The second one is holding on to losing trades. This is more common in new traders and growing traders that are very fresh in the industry. You take a trade and you have this 100% certainty, this delusion that this trade is going to go to your take profit, and if it doesn't go to your take profit, it will eventually go there. So the best thing is for you to remove your stop loss or continually extend it, because you know the market is going to go in your favor. And while trading the forex market, nothing is certain. You are literally gambling and trying to predict an outcome, since that outcome has likely happened in the past. But when you're 100% sure that, okay, if I take this trade, I'm going to hit take profit guaranteed, you are just wasting your time. The market works with probability. Any strategy you take, there's a probability in a certain market condition that if I take this trade, it's going to go to TP. Change your mindset from, if I take this trade, it's going to go to TP, to, if I take this trade, how much am I going to lose on this trade, and accept that risk, because everything is a probability. The market owes you nothing. If you think the market owes you something, you're going to lose everything, and it's going to affect your mental health in the long run. The third one is ignoring risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio is what keeps you active in the markets. If you have a very bad risk to reward, it would likely affect how you trade. You need to know the kind of strategy you use and the best risk to reward that works best trading the strategy. Based on the market condition, the effectiveness of a strategy is always affected, and you have to be inclined and be very adaptive to the market. Once you say that, okay, the market is 90% moving in your favor at a certain period of time, the best thing for you to capitalize. Boom. The next on our list is social media influence. You can scroll extensively on social media and you hardly see this being talked about. Social media influence is a real thing on how you approach trading and why you would blow that account. For example, listen to this. Let's say you have $100 account and you are risking $5 on every trade you take. Means you will have to take 100 trades and lose 100 trades to blow that account. But when you come online on social media, especially like Twitter for example, every day someone is flipping an account. Every day someone is taking $20 to $3,000 to $5,000. That's the perspective these people on social media want you to see. When reality is not always like that, then you'll be like, oh wow, I'm actually downplaying myself and I know I can trade well. Let me risk $50 on this trade. And the trade goes well. That $100 account is now about, let's say, $800. From $100 to $800, the account is doing for me like, oh wow. Get to a point, be like, okay, let me increase my risk, and you end up blowing the account. Sounds familiar, right? All those profits you stacked, everything gone in a blink of an eye because of what? Social media influence. And it's very hard to overcome. Once you know the truth of what's being posted online, nothing online can fix you on how you trade and even attempt to affect how you trade, because you know so many darkness in the forex industry, and when you come online you always see the good part. People hardly post about the bad parts. When people post about the bad parts, they must have posted like countless number of wins, and they will post one loss, and that loss they post, they can post a big loss, say damn, I blew this account, crazy, losing $20,000, and people will be hailing you. You know, in forex, when you lose a huge amount of money and you post about it, people will be hailing you. Oh man, see this guy lost this amount of money. People will be hailing you instead of like, man, this guy don't know how to trade. People will be hailing you that, man, see amount this guy lost, that's crazy. People should be able to relate to some extent instead of even bashing you, because in this game there is no guarantee. No matter how good you are, there is no guarantee to the results you provide in trading. And the final one on our list, lack of experience and discipline. Once you lack experience, it's going to show in your trading. Once you lack discipline, it's going to show in your trading. That is why it's always advisable to have a mentor. When people talk about mentor, people say, this mentor, they just want to collect money from us, this. I can learn on my own. I can learn through YouTube, university, stuff like that. You can learn, but the mistakes you are going to make from just learning on YouTube, you will learn from those errors for over 4, 5, 6 years before you make it out alive from all those mistakes. And in forex, mistakes are blown accounts. Mistakes are drawn down on accounts. These are what mistakes are. And if you have a mentor, something that will take you 5 years can take you 1.5 or 2 years. Realistically, something that will take you 5 years will take you 1.5 or 2 years, because you have someone you can means that, oh, see how I'm trading, this how it's going, what am I doing wrong, and they will put you through. A mentor is not someone that you pay money, they teach you their trading style and that's it. A mentor is someone you can always fall back to. Someone you can always fall back to and be like, oh, see, this is what I'm experiencing, how am I going to pass this hurdle? This is what I'm experiencing, what is causing it? Then you reevaluate your personal life and see if there's something in your life that is affecting your trading, because in more or less cases there's always one thing. It might be your finance, it might be a first child, you're trying to make it up to your family, something that's putting you at stake there to break rules and not follow the plan you set for yourself to take trades in the market. And to correct this mistake, if you solely choose not to have a mentor, I have a one-on-one session, a psychology session, where I will evaluate your personal life for just $20. In under 30 minutes to 1 hour, we will find a solution to the problem you're having in the financial market. Click the link in the bio and contact me. It will take you out of that forex rat race and know what you are lacking. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.